To apply a watermark in Lightroom, first open the image you want to export, select the Share button, then right next to Export to Camera Roll, you will see a little symbol to the right. Select the symbol and make sure Include Watermark is checked on. Then select Customize, and up here in the text field, you can select the plus image icon and navigate to your files on your iPad or your device and choose the watermark that you want to add. Since my image is darker, I'm going to use my white watermark. As you can see, it is added, and I can customize the size. I can customize the opacity, which I like to go a little bit below 50%. And if you scroll down, you can choose the horizontal offset. And then I can also modify the vertical offset. Remember, the focus should be on your image. Your watermark should be legible, but it shouldn't detract or distract from your image itself. So I'm going to lower my opacity a little bit more so that way the focus is on the image, and since my image is so dark, the white really stands out. So I don't need it to be very evident at all, and I can get away with a very low opacity. I think that looks good. And then you just hit the back arrow, hit the check mark, and then I can select Export to my camera roll. Now every time I export an image, this will by default be added to each of my images. And this might not be what you want, so you might have to change this depending on if your image is lighter or darker. If I go to my camera roll, you can now see my image has that watermark applied to the bottom right. The next time you export an image, just be aware of this and customize your watermark, or just check that box so that way it's not applied.